Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Grey Wolf 24 RRT. This camper comes in at 33 feet 4 inches tongue to bumper and weighs just under 6,000 pounds empty. As we get started up front here, we have your power tongue jack with the LED light so you can see at nighttime when you're hooking up. We have your two 20-pound LP tank bottles with the hard shell cover with the quick access lid, and these will be filled by the Outpost RV. We have your diamond plate rock guard, curved radius front end here. On the side, we're going to have your storage compartment, magnetic door catch here. Inside, you'll notice it does come equipped with the power cord and the manual override handles. We have your solar controller and a built-in light up front here already. It's equipped with the electric jacks. Down below, there's going to be a switch underneath the camper. How that works, one leg will come down and hit first, then the other one will come down. They will equal out in pressure to stabilize the camper for you. Up front here, this goes directly into the front bedroom area. We have the black tempered glass door. It has an integrated window with it, full-size screen door, and your entrance steps here. We have your power awning with the blue LED accent light underneath it. Each leg's adjustable, so if the sun's coming down, you can adjust the pitch of the awning here. We also have this awesome outside kitchen. You have your griddle with the LP quick disconnect down below, so you can use the gas on the camper to run this. We have your refrigerator, ice maker, and an outside water source here for the kitchen area. We have your furnace vent, outside entertainment center with your TV connections, also the TV bracket. You can just slide your TV in right here. Same bracket that's used on the inside. Down below, we have the center cap popped off. These are the quick easy lube axles. All four wheels are going to have self-adjusting brakes. They also come equipped with this tire pressure monitoring system. The side of this will turn red if you're low on air, so we will unscrew that to demonstrate. That way you can just walk around and do a visual check before you head off for your next destination. This camper is also equipped with the Adventure Package, giving us the off-road tires, a 2-inch lift, and the diamond plate metal down below here as well. Moving back to our main entrance door, you have the sturdy steps where each leg is fully adjustable. We have the Wolfhead emblem cut out here as well. Same door as the front with the black tempered glass, integrated window, and oversized grab handle here. As we move to the back, we are pet friendly. We have your leash latch so the furry family members can tag along. There's also a ventilation system. You have one vent here. There will be one on the other side. So if you're hauling anything with fumes, you can open these up and get a crosswind as you're traveling down the road to keep that aired out. In the back, we have your porch system all set up for you. There is also a screen wall that will roll down to help keep the air in and the bugs out. Up top, we have your bright LED light. So at nighttime, if you're loading anything up, and it also comes equipped with the backup camera as well. Over here, as we move around to this side, at the very top, you'll notice a ladder prep. It is prepped for a telescoping ladder that you can purchase separately as well. Underneath, we have your sewer hose holder. So when you're not using your sewer hose, you can store it underneath there. This is a 30 amp unit, and it will come with that 25-foot detachable power cord. We have your black tank flush, so when you're done camping for the week or weekend, you hook your water hose up here, and that'll blast out the tank for you. Outside shower with hot and cold water over here. Underneath that, we have your water fill station. Your fresh water's on the left, so if you're going to be dry camping or boondocking, fill up your fresh water tank on the camper, turn on your water pump, and use that water. Over here is your city water. So if you're at a campground, you just hook your water hose up right there, and that'll pressurize the lines for you. Underneath, we have your dump station, where the gray handles for the gray tank, black handles for the black tank. We also have this light over here by all your connections, so if it's nighttime, you can see what's going on. Cable connection, so if your campground offers that, you can tap right into it. And last but not least, we have your on-demand water heater. It is a tankless system, about 60% more efficient than what we've used in the past. It is gas only, since it's on demand, but you're only using gas when you're running hot water. That'll conclude our outside walkthrough of the Grey Wolf 24 RRT, and now we'll take a look at the inside. And now we'll move to the inside. You have your bench seating in the back here, and all of this is garage area coming up. As you can see, they have the tie downs that go all the way up here as well. We have your kitchen area. It's going to have the nice pantry right beside it. And then directly across, we have your sink with your stove and all the cabinets above. The large double windows really opens everything up in here. And we'll go ahead and get started right inside the door here with your main control panel up top to see how full your tanks are. There are 12-volt heating pads on the holding tanks underneath, and that switch is up there along with the water pump, your light switches, and then to run your awning in and out. Here we have your entertainment center with a TV bracket here. Connections are up inside. Again, with a nice window here, extra counter space. We have your stereo, which is AM/FM and Bluetooth compatible, so you can sync your phone to it. Underneath that, we have your fireplace, which can be on as a space heater or just for looks as well. And your shoe garage down below that, so you can kick your shoes off and store them underneath there. Over here, we have your furnace underneath the microwave, and the microwave is also a convection oven and an air fryer. Right up above that, we have your 3-burner stove. Comes with the glass cover, so you can utilize that as prep space if you are not cooking. We have your vent, range vent there that goes to the outside. Of course, more storage up above. We have the extra LED lights in the kitchen, nice and bright over here. Lots of counter space. We have this really nice sink area. It's a farmhouse style sink. It's got the soap dispenser off to the right-hand side, high-rise faucet with the pull-out sprayer. We also have the cup washing station on the left, and it has many different attachments that come with it, such as the cutting board, a couple rinse stations, drying rack, and then of course it is going to be the large single bowl sink in here. And that is the farmhouse style. You do get some storage down below. There's a couple drawers over to the left-hand side as well. Right up above that, you're going to have 2 110 outlets, and then your thermostat. The digital thermostat will run your air conditioner and your furnace. Directly across, we have your pantry here. That is a full-size pantry. Goes all the way down to the floor. Multiple shelves in here. Lots of great storage. And then we do have your 12-volt refrigerator. We have 100-watt solar panel mounted on the roof. And that is also to help run your refrigerator while traveling down the road. This particular refrigerator is the dual swing, where you can open it from the left or the right-hand side as well. So a really neat feature. And then down below we have the freezer section with the extra drawer. Right underneath the refrigerator we have your breakers and fuses. And the red key is a 12-volt cutoff switch that'll kill all 12-volt power to your battery. We have a voltmeter and a CO2 detector right underneath that. And now we will go through and take a look in the bathroom area. One nice feature with the door up front is that if you're traveling and you have toys in here, you can still get into the bathroom rather easily. We're going to have this really large sink here in the bathroom area. You can see the countertop is going to be extended over to the right. You have an area for linens down here, storage down below. Up top, we have your digital thermostat for your on-demand water heater, light switch, and your 110 outlet. Corner medicine cabinet, which is nice because those are also bigger and gives you more space as well. Here we have a sliding door going into the bedroom area. Directly underneath that, we are going to have the toilet, which also has ample leg room on both sides. And then I'm going to close this door behind us that we just came through. We'll take a look at the shower area. In the shower, you're going to have the surround already built in with it. This is a very large rectangle shower here. You have your hot and cold water with the hose going up top. Again, with the built-in shelves, skylight up above, and the shower curtain to pull across. I'm going to pan back just a little bit to show you this large vent fan. It is a multi-speed exhaust fan that we have in the bathroom as well. Now moving up to the bedroom area, we're going to have your queen mattress, where the comforter set comes with it as well. We have built-in nightstands on both sides. You're also going to get 110 and 12-volt charge ports on both sides. We have your hanging storage, cabinets up top, and the doors up top, they go across. They have doors on them. the cabinets up top that go across have doors on them, so you can utilize that as storage. Couple extra lights up there. More hanging storage on this side. And then the outlet over here actually has a built-in inverter. So if you are traveling and say you pull over at a rest stop somewhere and you only have 12 volt power, you can turn that inverter on and have a hot 110 outlet there. Over here, you actually get more built-in storage in the bedroom. You have open storage down below and more cabinets up top. You do have another location for a TV in here. The bracket is already mounted, and we have the connections up top there. Now we will go back through the bathroom area and we'll take a look at the garage. Again, I'd like to point out the tie-down brackets as we move back through, how those come all the way up. So if you're loading a motorcycle, four-wheeler, or anything like that, you can really get those all the way up here. There's also more tie-down brackets underneath the dinette seating as well. So you have the dinette here. The table can also lay flat. Cushions push together, the cushions will push together, making it a large single bed, or you can simply pull the backs off and have two individual sleeping areas here. We have your 110 outlet, large window here. As you can see up top, we have your interior speaker that lights up blue, and there will be another one right over here to the right-hand side. With this patio system set up, really opens up the entire camper, letting in a lot of fresh air and sunlight. Again, we have that screen wall that you can roll down to keep the bugs out and help keep the air in. Up top, we have your helmet storage rack with the cargo net. Another window here, another 110 outlet. And last but not least, as we pan around, you'll see we have another large window. And up top in the corner is going to be a vent for that cross ventilation system. That will conclude our walkthrough of the Grey Wolf 24 RRT. I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.